Good morning. We are continuing with the exercise 11.3. Okay. So the next problem is XY is a line parallel to side BC of a triangle ABC. If B is parallel to AC and CF is parallel to AB, meet XY at E and F respectively. Show that area of ABE will be equal to area of ACF. Where is ABE? This one. ACF is this. Okay, these two are equal. You have to show. Now, first, what is given? Just to check it out. XY is a line parallel to side BC of a triangle ABC. Draw one triangle ABC. ABC. For BC, draw one parallel line XY. So this is X and this is Y. Okay. Now, what you have to do next? If B is parallel to AC, this is AC. For AC line, one parallel line you should draw. This is parallel to this. Okay. And CF is parallel to AB. This line is parallel to this. Meet XY at E and F. That means this line BE. Okay, they are on the line XY only and F are on the XY only. Okay, you have to show this triangle ABE will be equal to area of this ACF. This is the problem, children. First, what is given? Just check it out. They have given XY is parallel to BC. They have given, and AC is parallel to BE. They have given. Then EN. When XY is parallel, even EN will be parallel to BC, isn't it? In the same way, CN will be parallel to BE. That time, this one, BCNE, will become a parallelogram. Clear? So, BCNE is a parallelogram. Similarly, this side also, BC is parallel to MF, and already we know that CF is parallel to AC, which is BM also. That's why even BCFM will become a parallelogram. Two parallelograms we got, this is one and this is one, and they are on the same base BC and between the same parallels. So, the parallelograms are equal in area, and in that AB, because it is the triangle on the same base, ABE will be half of BCNE. Okay, we will take it as an area of ABE. ABE, this will be half of the BCNE, having a same base B. Okay. Now, again, BCFM and ACF are on the same base CF. Okay, and between the same parallels. That's why you can write that area of ACF will be equal to half of BCFM. Call them as a 1 and 2. But already we have proven parallelograms are equal in area. Okay, when RHS will become same means LHS are also same. Therefore, area of ABE will be equal to, see here, is area of BCNE will be equal to area of BCFE. Therefore, from all these three, finally we can conclude that area of ABE will be equal to AC because here RHS parts are same. Clear? This is the first problem. Next, we will move to the next problem. The problem is, if the side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB of a parallelogram is produced to point P. Okay, a line through A and parallel to CP. That means here one line we have to draw for this we had to draw a line parallel to that meets CB. We had to extend CB at Q. Okay. And then parallelogram PBQR is complete. By that we are getting this parallelogram. Now we have to show that area of ABCD will be equal to PBQR. These two parallelograms are equal. That is the thing you have to prove. Now one thing you have to do here, children, just join A to C, okay, and P to Q. Just we are drawing the diagonals of both the parallelograms. That time we already know that AQ is parallel to CP, isn't it? That time these two triangles in red mark I have marked no ACQ and APQ. This one both are on the same base AQ and between the same parallels. That's why these two will be equal in area. Call it as a 1. Now from this you subtract ABQ from both. From both you subtract ABQ. This part you subtract. If you subtract that part, that time what is left? This part is left and this part is left. What is that part? Area of ABC. Here area of BPQ will be left. Now multiply both by 2. That time 2 of area of ABC will be equal to twice of area of ABQ. But what is ABC? You check it out. It is half of the parallelogram. So twice of that means it becomes a parallelogram ABCD. In the same way, BQP double means it is a parallelogram BPRQ. So finally we got the area of ABCD will be equal to area of BPRQ. Okay, so this is the next problem. Now we will move to the one more problem of the exercise. Okay, the next one is statement problem. A villager Itwari has a plot of land of the shape of a quadrilateral. Draw one quadrilateral, call it as a ABCD. Okay. So the Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his flat from one of the corner. I am taking from the corner C to construct the health center. This is the portion taken by the Gram Panchayat. Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his flat. So lieu is in the place of this, adjacent to this his land, he should get the one more land, okay, of equal area. Okay, and so has to form a triangular flat. No? We got here a triangular flat. Explain how this proposal will be implemented. How you will get the triangular flat, we have to check. Okay. So now let us go with the figure. Here what you have to do, join DB here. Okay. And draw CM parallel to DB. Okay. CM parallel to DB and BM is joined. Now consider these two triangles BDC, this triangle, and DMB, this triangle. They are on the same base BD and between the same parallels CM and BD. That's why the area will be equal, isn't it? Now what you have to do, subtract BOD from both the triangles. That time what you will get, DOC will get, and here BOM. That means how much portion they have given for a hospital, that much portion he is getting here, BOM, isn't it? Now call it as a 1. Now area of a quadrilateral ABCD can be written as area of a quadrilateral ABOD plus DCO, area of triangle COD. So ABOD you keep as it is. instead of COD, what we can write? BOM we can write. So if we join for this quadrilateral, if we join this, what we are getting? We are getting the triangle area AMT, which is equal to area of ABCD. That is the condition of an Ithwari. Now he got that same land adjacent to his land. Okay. So this is the problem. Next, we will move to the next problem of the exercise. See here, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. A line parallel to AC, first ABCD is a trapezium, draw on trapezium. Next, which are the parallel lines? AB and CD are the parallel lines. A line parallel to AC intersect AB at X and BC at Y. So XY is a line parallel to AC. Now you have to prove that ADX, this one, is equal to ACY, this line, this portion. Okay. So we already know AB is parallel to CD and AC is parallel to XY, that is the given things. Just consider ADX and ACX, join C and X, ACX you take down. Both are on the same base AX and between the parallels AX and CD. So they will be having a equal area. Call it as a 1. Now consider ACX and one more triangle ACY. ACY. Here is a line actually. These two are on the same base AC and between the parallels AC and XY. Even they will be having equal area. That is, area of ACX will be equal to area of ACY. Call it as a 2. Now compare 1 and 2. So area of ACX is present in both. So we can equate these two things. Finally, we will be getting area of ADX is equal to area of ACY. That is the proof we are requiring. We got the proof. Next, the last problem of the exercise, and this completes the lesson, children. So in the figure, DRC, this triangle, is equal to DPC, this triangle, okay, and area of this one, BDP and ACB are equal, they have given. Now what you have to prove? ABCD is a trapezium as well as DCPR is a trapezium. This is the thing you have to prove. First given thing you take down. DRC is equal to DPC. Check out. Both are having the same base DC. And between the lines DC and RP, isn't it? So when the triangles are having an equal area on same base and between the same lines, then the lines will be parallel. So DC will be parallel to PR. If you are getting one pair of parallel sides in a quadrilateral, then it is a trapezium. Therefore DCPR is a trapezium. So in the next part, just take down this part, BDP and ACR. In that subtract these parts. What the triangles we are having, that you subtract. That time you will be getting the one more proof also. Okay. So DRC can be written as DPC. So when we subtract, we will be getting an area of ADC here. Yeah, after changing, we will be getting BCD. So where are those BCD and ADC? Just check it out. See here. BCD is here and ADC is here. Even they are on the same base CD and between the lines AB and CD. So we can say AB is parallel to CD. That time ABCD is a trapezium. Clear, children? So this completes the lesson. Thank you.